श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्ते। वागीशाद्या सुमनसः सर्वार्थानाम् उपक्रमेण नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तं नमामि गजाननम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदां भुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानुं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं मम दोर्गर्युक्ता चतुर्विस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन बद्धं शतमभिषेकं चापरेण भासा गुन्देन्दुशङ्कस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं नमसतो वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं गोष्पदीकृतवादिशं वशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणं महामालारत्नं वन्दे अखिलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजाया आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् अञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं कञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयं गृहं पारिजाततन्मूलवासिनं भावयामि भवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र गतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सभद्रमतले मे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितमग्रे वाजयति प्रवञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। वामे भूमिसुता पुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयो वायुवादुकोनेश सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च योराट्तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। नमोऽस्तु रामाय लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजाय नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणम् आञ्जनेय स्वामी की इत्युक्त्वा परुषं वाक्यं रावणं रावणानुजः आजगाव मुहूर्तेन यत्र रामस्य लक्ष्मणः। The moment Ravana exiled Vibhishana, kicked him out, immediately accompanied by 4 of his ministers, 4 of his confidants, Vibhishana flew across the ocean. Muhurtena, abdina. Just as Rama decided, this muhurtam itself we will leave, abdina. Muhurta, abdina, or 48 minutes. About an hour, 48 minutes. And the muhurtataliye, within that same hour, Vibhishana arrived at the other shore of the ocean from Lanka, where Rama and Lakshmana had encamped along with all the other monkeys. Enna artham appadina? There is no need to delay when it comes to surrender. The moment you have decided to surrender, apdiye annike surrender panna vendiyadha. There is no need to wait after that. Yadahareva virajet tadahareva pravrajet appadina solla. The very moment detachment comes into you, then and there implement it, put it into practice. Otherwise, what will happen? Detachment will go away. See, detachment is also a bhava, dane. Vairagyam is also a bhava. For whatever reason, we feel detached now. But after some time, what will happen? Once again, if you do not strike the iron while it's hot, that bhava will go away and then some other bhava will come once again. It's okay, fine, doesn't matter. You'll miss the boat. In the moment Ravana kicked him out, Vibhishananukku immediately the thought arose in him, I should go and surrender to Rama. If he delays, if he thinks about something, if he goes and talks to other people and so on and so forth, each person will come up with a different opinion. Each person will suggest something else. In the end, Vibhishana will become confused, will not know what to do, where to go, and that moment will be missed. Vibhishana would have an advantage, he does not give in to all of these distractions. It is an important lesson for us also. When it comes to surrendering to the Lord, when it comes to seeking Him, the moment that desire comes, that moment itself we should seek. What is the best time to meditate? What is the best time to meditate? When you feel like it. What is the best time to meditate? They thought, Brahma Muhurtam, Sandhya Kalam. Abdina da Chulur Bhagavan. Now Bhagavan's reply was very fine. When you feel like it, you meditate. Paradha meditate. The mind is distracted when you don't want to meditate. What is the use of sitting and meditating? When should you meditate? When you feel like it, you meditate. The moment you feel like it, do not waste that time. Sit down and meditate. If you feel like connecting to God, sit down and connect. Don't think, it is not the right time. If the memory of the Lord, the remembrance of the Lord arises, then and there you give in to it. That bhava is also fleeting. Unfortunately or fortunately, if you look at it scientifically, all the bhavas are fleeting. And then you've got to make sure that you use the bhavas when they come. They are all tools that we can use. Bhava bhalattinal. Bhagavan showed him. Bhava bhalattinal bhavanatita sadbhavatil iruttale undipara parabhakti tattvam undipara. ஒரு விதத்துல சொன்னா பிரபத்தி தத்துவம் உந்தீபரன்னு சொல்லலாம். பிரபத்தி means sharanagati. What is sharanagati? Bhava bhalattinal bhavanatita sadbhavatil iruttal. By the force of the power of the bhavas that arise within us to go beyond all imagination and to be established in the reality of our own existence is real highest supreme bhakti or surrender. What helps us? It is all the bhavas that come and go. Bhavas are not ever eternal. They keep coming and going. But what should we do when the right bhava comes? Use it. Then and there, Muhurtena, that very Muhurta itself, Vibhishana arrived there, he stationed himself along with 4 attendants, he stood there in the mid-air. Monkeys were all there. The monkeys saw, who are these Rakshasas who have come? Is it an attack? They went and called Sugriva. The Sugriva comes there. He looks at, what has happened to me? The monkeys are all saying, commanders, we will jump up, pull these fellows down and kill them then and there because they are all Rakshasas. Sugriva asked, who are you? Vibhishana, still remaining in the air, he speaks to them. Kastayeva Vibhishanaha. Ravano nama durvritto rakshaso rakshaseshwaraha tasyaham anujo vrata Vibhishana iti shrutaha tena sita janastana dhata hatva jatayusham ruddha cha vivashadhina rakshasi visrakshita tamaham hetu birvakyaihi vividaischa nadarshayam sadhu niryatyatam sita ramayeti punah punah Sachana pratijagraka ravana kala choditaha uchyamanam hitam vakyam viparitaiva aushadam soham parushitasthena dasavacchavamaninaha tyaktva putramscha dharamscha raghavam sharanam gataha nivedayata mam kshipram raghavaya mahatmane sarvaloka sharanyaya vibhishanam upastitam. There is a Rakshasa called Ravana. He is an evil-minded one. He is of evil conduct and character. He is the ruler of all the Rakshasas. I am his younger brother by name Vibhishana. When Ravana brought Sita away from Janasthana after killing Jatayu and kept her imprisoned by surrounding her with Rakshasis. At that time itself, I admonished him thoroughly again and again. Let Sita be restored to Rama. However, impelled by his own fate, Ravana did not listen to me. And when I repeatedly said the same thing, he treated me badly and he exiled me. He disrespected me, like he treated me like a slave. Even though I wished well of him and tendered him good advice, he has kicked me out. Adanala, what have I done? Abdiyannal, Tyaktva putramscha dharamscha, I have abandoned my wives and children. Abandoning my people, abandoning all my people, I have come seeking the refuge of Sri Rama. Yenna Sarvaloka Sharanyaya. Sarvaloka Sharanyan. Who is Rama? He is the one who can give refuge to all the worlds. Rama is the one that is capable of accepting and giving refuge to the entire world itself. Therefore, as a being of this world, I also have equal rights to come and surrender to him, even though I am a Rakshasa. I have come. Anybody can surrender to Bhagavan. All of us belong to him. Good and bad does not apply in this. Past and present does not apply in this. What I was in the past, how I behaved in the past, or who I belonged to in the past, nothing is applicable. Right now, are you in a position to surrender? That is all Bhagavan looks at. Sarvaloka Sharanyaya. Since Raghava is the refuge of all the worlds, I have come to surrender to him. Please convey this message to Rama that Vibhishana has come. All the monkeys ran. There Rama Sugrivan Ponan. Rama, Mandirkan. Vibhishana has come. Yar Vibhishana? Ravana's brother. Oh. Abdiya Shari. Ellani Kupudungo. Council of War. But then all the important monkeys came and assembled there. Sugriva, Angada, Hanuman, Jambavan, Mainda, Sharabha, all these monkeys are all sitting there. Apo Bhagavan, Sri Ramachandra, looked at all of them and said, this is the situation, what do you all feel, what is your opinions? Apo Urdadra Aramikira. Since everybody has been asked, everybody has to say something. All the monkeys first say, Bhagavane, Agnatam Nastite Kinchit Trishulokeshu Raghava. Hey Raghava, there is nothing you do not know in all the three worlds. Who are we to give any advice or any counsel to you? Still, since you have asked, why have you asked? Atmanam Pujayal Rama Prichasyasman Suhritaya. Why have you asked? You treat us as your very self. And therefore, out of the love that you have for us, in order to give an honor to us, you have asked us. Since you have asked, we will tell you what we feel with the appropriate reasoning behind it. Sugriva children, Sugriva says, how can we accept him? He is the Rakshasa by birth. We are the enemies of Rakshasas. He is a Rakshasa. And even more, particularly, he is Ravana's younger brother. Ravana's own younger brother has sought refuge in you. Obviously, he has come here as per the command of Ravana with evil intent in order to strike us when we have reposed faith in him. If we accept him and keep him in our midst, looking at the right opportunity when we are weak, he will strike at us. That is why he has come here. He is infiltrating, trying to infiltrate our ranks. Then we should not accept him. We should kill him. Along with all of his ministers, he should be killed. Sugriva gives advice. Angathanuடைய turn வந்தது. அங்கதன் சொல்றான், விபீஷணா, அங்கதன் என்ன சொல்றான்னா, என்ன அவன் யோசிச்சு சொல்றான். அங்கத பையன், young fellow, he is the youngest in the lot, and he is also giving his opinion, must be Australian educated, and நம்மூர் குழந்தைலாம் வாய்மூன் பேசாம இருக்கும். Our children, Indian children and all, they will keep quiet even when they are asked. They know better than to open their mouth and say nonsense in front of elders. But the hallmark of Australian education is, even if you don't know anything, Western education is not just Australian. Western education, and even if you don't know anything, you should open your mouth and make some noise. Yeah. If you make a lot of noise, what are you? Nice. Tamil, naai, dog. In Tamil, nai means dog. There are a lot of dogs, na nais in artham. Plural. Nai, nice. So if you make a lot of noise, what are you? Subject இருந்தா பேசணும். Once it so happened, the study circle. இங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம சாய் சென்டர்லாம் ஸ்டடி சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா, வெஸ்டர்ன் ஸ்டடி சர்க்கிள். இது என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா, they will sit in a circle. சர்க்கிள்னால என்ன அப்படின்னா ஜீரோன்னு அர்த்தம். When you sit in a circle, what you are conveying is zero. அப்படின்னா sum total of our knowledge put together is a big zero. பெரிய பூஜ்யம். எல்லாம் உட்காந்து எடுத்துக்கொள். அப்போ they were discussing topics. But what usually happens is one or two people will dominate the conversation and they keep talking. But the Western idea was to go around everybody. What about you? What about you? என்ன தெரியும்? தெரிஞ்சா பேசலாம். If you know something, you can speak. But no, they will ask. The idea is give opportunity to everybody. What is the use of giving an opportunity to a fellow who does not know anything about it? என்னமோ கொடுத்துட்டு இருந்தா, but it did not happen. About Hislop, Jack Hislop, who was the அந்த காலத்துல he was the president of the World Organization, global organization. He went to Swami and he spoke to Swami about this study circle, and he said, Swami, the study circle only few people are speaking. Swami ரொம்ப innocent ஆ இருக்கும் அந்த conversation. Swami will say, yes, only those who know will speak. What is wrong with it? Very promptly Swami said, yeah, that is correct. Oh no, what else will be there? Only those who know will speak. No, but should not everybody get a chance? Swami said, endhathukku, for what? What are they going to say? If they don't know anything, let them keep quiet. தெரியாதவெல்லாம் பேசினா அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா இப்படிதான் ஆகும். The first study circle that ever happened was when Rama sat around with all these monkeys and only monkeys spoke. So generally in a study circle, whoever speaks அப்படின்னா தெரியாம பேசினா, if without knowing, if you speak அப்படின்னா that you are வானர ஜாதி, you are a monkey. All the monkeys chatted around. இப்படிதான் அது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். அது conversations with Bhagavan Satsai Baba வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். In that book it will come. It is really funny the way Swami says, but that is correct. அப்படிங்கிற Swami, இதுல என்ன தப்பு? Swami is so surprised. What is this man bringing a problem? There is no problem. Why is he finding a problem where it is perfect? But இங்க என்னன்னா அது ஒன்றும் இல்லை, அது ஒரு ஈகோ தான். It is simply ego. We have to say something. But in the Western culture, அது என்ன அப்படின்னா, it is product of the education system also. You are trained to be egoistic. You are trained to express yourself so that you can impress everybody, when really you should keep quiet and be pressed down. Ideally what should be done, suppress பண்ணணும். எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் என்ன, இம்ப்ரெஸ் என்ன, அதெல்லாம் சப்ரஸ் பண்ணி வச்சு பேச, டிப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கணும். தெரியாதவன் பேசி என்ன அர்த்தம்? Those who do not know should keep quiet. அங்கதன் சொல்றான், அங்கதா says, but அங்கதனுக்கு என்னன்னா பொலிட்டிக்கல் வியூ பாயிண்ட் அது. ஏன்னா he is the next heir apparent. He has to become the leader. He has to show some leadership skills. If he keeps quiet when an opportunity comes, he will be disregarded. அதனால he says something. He சொல்றான். ரொம்ப கெட்டிக்கார பையன். என்ன சொன்னான் அப்படின்னா, for everything there are advantages and disadvantages. So if it is advantageous to accept Vibhishana, we can. But if it is disadvantageous அப்படின்னா we should reject it. இது பார்த்தேடா எவ்வளவு டிபிக்கலி ஆசி இல்லையா, இது வெஸ்டர்ன் இல்லையா? அதாவது ஒன்றும் சொல்லலை. வாட் இஸ் he has spoken a paragraph. 1 2 3 4 ஸ்லோகம், 4 ஸ்லோகாஸ் he speaks. What is the essence of the 4 ஸ்லோகாஸ் அப்படின்னா, I could have as well kept quiet. அதான் essence. ஏன் அப்படின்னா, அதாவது there are advantages and disadvantages for everything. Definitely after ascertaining the advantages and disadvantages, one should adopt a course of action if the advantages are likely to be higher. But if disadvantages are more, we should reject it. Arthanarthau vinishchatya vyavasayam bhajetah gunatah sangraham kuryat doshastastu visarjayet. இது எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவோம். குணம் இருந்தா எடுத்துக்கோ, தோஷம் இருந்தா தள்ளிவிடு. எதி தோஷோ மகாம்ஸ் தஸ்மின் அப்படின்னா, நிறைய தோஷம் இருந்தா விட்டுடு, நிறைய குணான் இருந்தா எடுத்துக்கோ. சொட்டு வாய மூடின்னு எடுத்துக்கோ. அந்த விஷயம் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சது அவ்வளவுதான். அப்படி ஏதோ எனக்கும் தெரியும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக, in order to actually typically like a Western studies circle, in order to my 2 cents worth அப்படிம்பா, வேற preface வேற பண்ணி சொல்லுவா. They will preface it by saying my 2 cents worth அப்படின்னா, you have only 2 cents. Only 2 cents. Who wants your 2 cents? 2 cents காயினே கிடையாது. மினிமமே 5 cents தான் காயினே கிடையாது. Who wants your 2 cents? It is nonsense. Nobody wants your 2 cents. You keep quiet. Best is to, if you have only 2 cents to contribute, it is best if you do not contribute it. You keep it. Vanda, keep the change. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடணும். ஏன்னா சில்லற பசங்க இதுக்கெல்லாம் பேசி என்ன ஆக வருது? சில்லற பசங்க 2 சென்ட்டுக்கு கொடுத்து என்ன ஆக போகுது? வேண்டாமே வாய முடின்னு இருக்கிறதே தேவையில்லையோ சொல்லிட்டு தெரியும் பாவம். ஷரபன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு மங்கி, அது என்ன சொல்லிட்டு அப்படின்னா, ஷரபா the monkey, he says, even if we accept him, we should put a spy behind him. நல்ல ஐடியா. எஸ்பேனாஜ் மூவிலாம் பார்த்துட்டாங்க, ஜேம்ஸ் பாண்ட்லாம் பார்த்து ஏதோ இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகிட்டான். அதனால என்ன சொல்றான் அப்படின்னா, we should put a couple of spies around this person all the time. We should monitor him so that we know what is he up to அப்படின்னு அவன் சொன்னான். அப்படி ஜாம்பவான் சொல்றார். ஜாம்பவான் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜாம்பவான் எப்படி சொல்றாருன்னா, சாஸ்திர புத்தியா விசக்ஷணா. He is a person who has read the Shastras, understood the Shastras, and the புத்தியோட சொல்றார். எல்லாத்துக்கும் there is a time and place for everything. There is a time and place. In my opinion, Vibhishana has come at the wrong time and the wrong place. என்னது wrong time, wrong place அப்படின்னா, the time is that we are almost going to, we have come with an army on the verge of starting a war with them. இது time. Place என்ன, almost their doorstep. If he really wanted to come, he should have come to us in Kishkinda. அந்த பிளேஸ்ல அந்த டைம்ல. ஆனா this is very doubtful. This is sarvatha shankyatamyam adesha kale sampraptah sarvatha shankayatamyam. Shankyatama irukku. It is completely doubtful. It is suspicious in every way. He's come at the wrong time and the wrong place. மைந்தா அப்படின்னு ஒருத்தன் சொன்னான். அவன் சொன்னா, let us interrogate him very carefully. We should progressively interrogate him. அதுக்கப்புறம் having read his mind based upon the answers that he is giving, we should decide அப்படின்னு மைந்தா gives a suggestion. எத்தனை பேரும் சொல்ல அப்படி பகவான் ஹனுமானை பார்க்கறார். பகவான் looks at ஹனுமான் யாரு அப்படின்னா, he is that person in the study circle who knows the subject, who knows what is to be said. But what has he been doing? He is keeping quiet. He has not spoken. All these fellows have spoken. He has not spoken. He is the last to speak as usual. ஏன் அப்படின்னா, அப்பதானே he can rebut all the nonsense. He's been taking notes. இந்த மடையை எப்படி சொல்லித்து, இந்த முட்டாள் இப்படி சொல்லித்து, இந்த மண்டு இப்படி சொல்லித்து அப்படி நல்லா நோட் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காரு. This idiot has said this, this fool has said this அப்படின்னு he has taken notes. Now he comes with points to rebut each and every one of those things. அவர் சொல்றார், ஆரம்பிக்கிறச்சே அழகா ஆரம்பிக்கிறார். ஹனுமான் தானே, என்னதான் இருந்தாலும் ஹனுமான் இஸ் ஹனுமான். நபவந்தோ மதிஸ்ரேஷ்டோ சமர்த்தோ வததாயாம் வரம் அதிஷாயயிதோ சக்தோ ப்ருஹஸ்பதிரபி ப்ருவன் நவாதான்னாபி சங்கர்ஷான் அதிக்யான்ன ச காமதः வக்ஷ்யாமி வசனம் ராஜன் யதார்த்தம் ராமகௌரவாத். சொல்றார், ஹே ராமா, even Brahaspati, who is the lord of speech among the devas, even he cannot equal you in knowledge, in your intelligence or your capacity to speak. In front of you, for us to speak, it is a laughing matter. But அப்படின்னா என்ன சொல்ற, I should not speak. In front of you, I should not open my mouth. மிச்சதெல்லாம் கடகடன்னு சொல்லிவிட்டு எல்லாருக்கும் படார்னு ஒரு அடி அரை. Hanuman is giving everybody a tight slap in everybody's face by saying this, because he says, Rama, in front of you to open our mouths and speak itself is a shame. It's a laughable matter. We should not be doing it. But I am going to say, எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா, not for the sake of navadan, not for the sake of an argument, nabi sangarshan, not for the sake of any ஒரு proving my point, adikyan, not to prove my point that I am better than everybody else, அதுக்கும் இல்ல. Not for a spirit of emulation, எல்லாரும் சொல்லிருக்காங்க நானும் சொல்லணுமேங்கிறதுக்காகவும் சொல்லல. I am not speaking because everybody has said something, I have to say something, otherwise they will think less of me, or I should prove that I am better than everybody, so I will say something, or just to counter somebody else for an argument's sake. I am not saying for any of these things. If at all I am speaking now, gauravad, the subject matter that you've asked about is important. More than that, you have commanded, I am going to speak. என்னதுன்னா, whatever has been said so far, tatra dosham prapashyami. Whatever has been said by all the counselors so far, I find something wrong, fault in everything. என்னது அப்படின்னா, முதல்ல சொல்றான், அங்கதான் என்ன சொன்னா, அட்வான்டேஜஸ் டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் விட்டுட்டான் இல்லையா, அவன் ஒரு இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன் தான் பண்ணான். Based on what the others have said அப்படின்னா, one fellow said put a spy அப்படின்னா, spy அப்படின்னா, is Vibhishana a fool? நான் அவன் குரங்கான அவன மாதிரி, is he a monkey like you? Put a spy, will he not know that he will be spied upon? Is he so dumb? Will he not naturally know that if I come there into the enemy camp and say I am going to be part of you, will everybody accept me? Naturally they will put a spy. Therefore he will be doubly, triply on his best behavior. He will be guarded. If you are going to find out about him by spying upon him, you can give up that idea. It is a useless endeavor. He is not so foolish to let clues around. That's a waste. Interrogate him அப்படினாலும், he is intelligent enough to answer in such a way that you cannot find anything. Second, if he has really come as a friend, he will become angry and upset when you keep on interrogating him all the time. As to right place, wrong place and wrong time அப்படின்னா, naturally this is the right place and right time. The wrong place, wrong time nu Jambavan Chan. He doesn't name any names, but naturally everybody knows. Avalke theriyume. No, the cap fits them. They'll have to wear it. So now, as far as the Adesha Kala and Desha, the wrong place, wrong time அப்படின்னா, in my opinion, it is the right time and the right place where he has come. Is the right time அப்படின்னா, the moment you want to surrender is the right time. Whether the right place na, Rama Charanarvindam is the right place. Which is the right place to surrender? Rama's feet are the right place to surrender. இல்லையா? சில பேர் கேட்டா பகவான் கிட்ட where should I meditate னு கேட்டா, பகவானே where should I meditate? They wanted Bhagavan to suggest a place, particular place. அடி அண்ணாமலைக்கு போ, மலையில போய் உட்காந்து மெடிடேட் பண்ணு, go meditate in Palakutu because they wanted a geographical place. பகவான் சொல்லிட்டு, ஏன் ஹிருதயம் இருக்கே அப்படின்னு. பகவான் said, why? On the heart. Where shall I meditate? Meditate in the heart அப்படின்னு. அந்த மாதிரி, what is the right place now? What is the right place to surrender? Rama's feet are the right place. He has come to Rama. Where else can he surrender? Sarvaloka Sharanyaya அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. அதனால he has come to the right place தான். எல்லாத்த விட என்னது முக்கியம் அப்படின்னா, my point of view, இதான் என்னோடது. என்னது அப்படின்னா, the facial expression of a person reveals the inner feeling which cannot be doubted. In my opinion, he is trustworthy. Hanuman சொல்லிட்டார், in my opinion he is trustworthy அப்படின்னு. He could have gone anywhere. He came here. He is also intelligent enough to know that he will be suspected, he will be doubted, he will not be easily accepted. He could even be killed. Knowing all of this, if he has come அப்படின்னா, he has got good intentions. He has walked into the lion's den, as it were, knowing it to be so. That means he is come with good intentions தான். ஆனா real reason சொல்லல அவன். Hanuman is not revealing the real reason here. What is the real reason why Hanuman is giving such a big go ahead அப்படின்னா, one, he knows Vibhishana helped him in the court, but even more than that, Devi has recommended him. Sita Mata has already said Vibhishana is a good fellow. இது போருமே. But he doesn't say that. ஏன்னா all the monkeys முன்னாடி சீதா சொன்னா அப்படின்னு ராமர் வந்து, ஓ சீதா சொன்னாளா, சரி அப்பனா ஒத்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா, then it will become a bit bad on Rama's part. Everybody will say, gee, henpecked husband. Because wife has suggested, so he is willing to accept. What kind of husband is he? What kind of a hero is he? அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதனால Hanuman knows, he doesn't want to let that out. But அது போல வேற ஏதோ சொல்றாரு. He gives various other reasons. முகஸ்ரீ இருக்கவருக்கு, அந்த முகஸ்ரீயை வச்சுட்டு நம்ம சொல்லிவிடலாம், based upon the radiance in his face, based upon the prasanna vadanam chapi tasman me nasti samshayah. சொல்ற, அவனுக்கு வதனம் பிரசன்னமா இருக்கு. இது ஒரு ரீசனா? ஒருத்தனை நம்புறதுக்கு இது ஒரு ரீசனா? பேங்க்ல லோன் போனேன்னா, if you go to apply for a loan in the bank, and the banker looks at your face is very trustworthy, no need of any documents, I will give the loan to you. சொல்லுவானோ? will they say that? சொல்லுங்க, சொன்னா தேவலையே, நம்ம ஃபேஷியல்லாம் கூட பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாமே. if they say yes அப்படின்னா, we'll do facial and go, no? and get the loan. ஏதாவது டெஸ்ட், போலீஸ் செக் அப்படின்னா, I'll just look at my face அப்படின்னா, சரி நல்லா இருக்கும் ஃபேஸ், ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, give அப்படின்னு பண்ணுவாளா பக்கத்தில்? ஆனால் ஹனுமான் says, look at his face, கள்ளங்கபடமில்லாத முகம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். What does it mean? Yes, it is true. Face is indeed the index of the mind, but not in the expression upon that face. There is a clarity in the face. When the mind is clear, face will be absolutely transparent, translucent, as it were, clear. It will not be clouded. A clouded face is indicative of a clouded mind, a confused mind. அது பார்க்குறவாளுக்கு தெரியும். Those who know how to see these things will know easily. ராமகிருஷ்ணன்லாம் அப்படி தான் பார்ப்பார். ராமகிருஷ்ண பரமஹம்சா will look at the fellow's face. நான் அமுச்சுடுவேன்னுருவார், நான் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்க மாட்டேன்னுருவார். அவர் வந்து கையை இப்படி தூக்கி பார்ப்பார். இல்லைன்னா he'll weigh his hand. ராமகிருஷ்ண பரமஹம்சா will weigh people's hand, or he will study their face. I want to be a disciple. மூஞ்சி பார்த்துச்சு, மூஞ்சிலாம் பேசிட்டு போயிட்டு வா அப்படின்னுருவார். He will reject them based on their face, or he will reject them based on their weight of their hand. இப்படிலாம் யாரா பண்ணுவாளா அப்படின்னு. ஆனால் you would weigh their hearts by weighing their hand. Weighing the hand was only a vyajam. You would weigh their hearts. You would study their face and understand their motives. Hanuman was capable of that. அதனால ஹனுமான் சொல்றார், பிரபு, this person, we should accept him. Even is definitely somebody to be accepted by us. Rajyam prarthayamanastu buddhipurvam vihagataha yetavattu puraskritya yujyate tasya sangraha. We should accept him as somebody belonging to our own. Ana yata shakti mayoktantu rakshasasyaarjavam prati प्रमाणं त्वं हि शेषस्य श्रुत्वा बुद्धिमतां वरा. To the best of my ability, I have said what I have to say based in favor of that Rakshasa's sincerity and straightforwardness. Rest, you are the best judge to decide. அப்படின்னு ராமர் கிட்ட சமர்ப்பணம் பண்ணிவிட்டார் ஹனுமான். Again, all of these people have said something. They have all said what they have thought is the right thing for the sake of Rama. Anna, Hanuman is the only one who is speaking what is in Rama's heart. Contrast this with Ravana's court, Ravana's council of war. Everybody spoke what was in Ravana's heart. Vibhishana alone spoke what he thought was right. அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட். So many people around. ஒரு council of war Ravana, ஒரு council of war Rama. Rakshasas, all of them are saying what Ravana wants to hear. Vibhishana alone says something opposite, he's kicked out. Here, all the monkeys say what is right or what they think is right. Hanuman alone speaks what Rama wants to hear. Anna, what a world of a difference between the two. இல்லையா? அங்க all their suggestions were all harming Ravana, but Hanuman's suggestion is sarvatha is going to be helpful to Rama because it keeps up Rama's reputation, keeps up Rama's line of thinking. அப்போ having heard everybody's voice, words, Ramar சொல்றார், எனக்குள்ளேயும் ஏதோ ஒன்று சொல்றதுக்கு இருக்கு. I also have something to say. I would like to say it. You must all please listen to me. Sadushto vapyadushto va kimesha rajanichara. No, inge irukku. Mama bija vivakshasti kachit prativibhishanam shrotum ichchami tat sarvam. Bhavadbihi shreyasi stitaihi. I have an opinion. I also have an opinion. Ramar சொல்றார். I would like all of you to hear it. Listen to it. Because you're all interested in my welfare. That is why I asked your opinion. But I would like to state my opinion also. அப்படின்னு ரொம்ப அழகா ராமர் starts his opinion. அவர் சொல்றார், என்னது என்னோட ஒப்பீனியன்னா, மித்ரபாவேன சம்பிராப்தம் நத்யஜேயம் கதஞ்சன Dosho yadyapi tasya syat satam etam agarhitam. Rama's opinion. Mitra bhavena sampraptam. When somebody comes to me with the bhava of friendship, Mitra bhavena, friendship oda vandan appadiyannal, in a friendly spirit, when somebody approaches me, natyajeyam katanchana, I will not reject him on any grounds. I shall not reject him on any grounds who comes to me with a friendly spirit. Mitra bhavena, appadinu sonna, it is not pretense, it is real bhava. Bhagavan get a real friendship. If you go towards Bhagavan with real friendship in our heart, Bhagavan says, I will not reject you. Not only that, dosho yadyapi tasya syat, even if he is riddled with faults, I will accept him. Mitra bhavena natyajayam nu solradhu oru pakkam. When you come to me with friendly spirit in your heart, I will not abandon you, is one good aspect of it. Hana, what is the saving grace for all of us? Abdina, the second half of the shloka is for all of us. Dosho yadyapi tasya syat. Even if you are riddled with faults, I will accept you. Abdina, porachom, thank God for small mercies. Henna, we have got faults more than the friendly spirit. Perfect vairagyam irka? Do we have perfect viveka? Do we have perfect vairagya? Do we have all the lakshanas of sharanagati? Yen appadina anukulasya sankalpaha pratikulasya varjanam rakshasiti mahavishvasaha goptritva varanam tata कार्पण्यम आत्मनिक्षेपका षड्विदा शरणागति. Abdini Sharanagati has got 6 aspects to it. Anukulasya sankalpaha, taking the firm right resolve. Pratikulasya varjanam, giving up all the things that are opposed to Sharanagati. Rakshati di vishwasaha, firm faith, belief that he will protect me. Goptritva varanam tata, completely choosing him alone. Karpanyam, recognition of one's own weaknesses, one's own inability. Atmanikshepa, rejecting our selfish desires and so on. If you come to Bhagavan and you surrender with all these 6 qualities, then it is called surrender. Sharanagati. Anal, we see both Sita Devi saying as well as Sri Ramachandra saying it. Enadinna. Avudume enna chonnana? Mitra bhavena thane pochanna. What did Devi tell Ravana? Ravana, you go to him with Mitra bhava. Viditaha sahi dharmajnaha sharanagata vatsalaha tena maitri bhavatu te yadi jeevitum ichchasi. If you want to live a day, go and make friendship with Rama. She did not say, Ravana, correct your behaviors, give up all your bad habits. For 15 days, go on a sadhana plan, detox yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, etc. Thereafter, go to Rama. Mitra bhavena, with friendliness in your heart, go to him. He will accept you. Go have a shower and come. Neither physical purity is required, nor mental purity is required. No purity is required. In fact, if you are very pure, why surrender? Your impurity itself is the reason why you have got to surrender. They say that when the calf is dirty, the cow licks the calf. With her tongue, she cleans the calf. Like Bhagavan also, when we are riddled with all our sins, what does he do? He lifts us up and cleans us. There's a small child. What does the child do? Without knowing, it soils its clothes. Whatever clothes it's wearing, diaper, whatever it is wearing, it soils, it makes a mess out of it. What does the mother do? Chichi, go clean yourself and then come. The mother should say, she's no mother. Yeah. What does the mother do? She lifts up that stinking baby. She changes that baby, patient kunjinde vera. Have you seen how the mother changes the diaper of the child? என்ன பண்ணிட்டுக்கோ இந்த அச்சோ இப்படி பண்ணிடுதா அப்படின்னு ஷீ வில் சேஞ்ச். இது பண்ண லட்சணத்துக்கு இது கொஞ்சம் வேறையா? நாத்தமா இருக்கு, ரூம்குள்ளே போக முடிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. We cannot enter into that room itself. And the mother is, playing with the what did the little one do? Did the little one do a poo-poo? அப்படின்னு சொல்லி, பூ என்ன பூ? நம்ம ஊர்ல பூன்னா வாசனையா மணக்கும் இல்லையா? பூ அப்படின்னா in India, in Tamil, no, பூ means flower. பூ means flower. It has a nice smell. இந்த பூ அப்படின்னா சீ பூ. இந்த பூவை போய் அது என்ன பண்ணிட்டுன்னு கொஞ்சிண்டே விளையாடிண்டே பண்ணா அப்படின்னா she finds so much of joy in the fact that the child has given her the chance to clean it. இல்லையா? Many years ago I remember reading a news article of a woman who was arrested because she had not toilet trained her 9-year-old child. He still wore diapers to school. She had never toilet trained him. Never toilet trained. Reason keta, when they asked her the reason, she said, oh, but I wanted my child, I still wanted my baby. If he became independent and did everything on his own, then I would feel like I had lost my child. But it is a very weird case. And all mothers are like that. Reluctantly, they allow their children to grow up. Because no mother wants her child to go away from her. She still wants that feeling that I am there for you, I am doing everything for you. அப்படிங்கிற ஃபீலிங் அம்மாக்கு வருது. ஒரு சாதாரண ஹியூமன் மதர் இட் செல்ஃப் கேன் ஃபீல் லைக் திஸ் அப்படின்னா டிவைன் மதர் how much she will feel that Bhagavan how much she will feel. What does he want அப்படின்னா he doesn't say come clean சொல்லல. He says dosho yadyapi myatyajeyam, even if you are filled with faults I will not abandon you. பழைக்கணும் இல்லையா? Yeah, why இவ்வளோ நாளைக்கு for nearly 6 months we have studied Ramayanam for this statement of Rama to come out. அவ்வளோதான். இன்னி வரைக்கும் ராமாயணம் பண்ணத்தினுடைய பலன் கிடைச்சுடுத்தோம் நமக்கு. We started in April, on 21st of April or something, we started this Ramayanam. It is an extraordinary journey. It has taken us nearly 6 months. Can you believe it? Every day we have done this Ramayanam for such a long time. இந்த மாதிரி யாரும் பண்ணாலும் தெரியல. But what is the reason why we have studied Ramayana for such a long time? Karpari Ramabhiranayallal Matrum Karparo. Abdini, we took that statement of Swami Nammalvar and we've been studying Ramayana. And the purpose of it all is this one statement here. Mitra bhavena samprapto natyajeyam katanchana dosho yadyapi tasya syat samasatam agarhitam. So that we can get this promise from Sri Ramchandra. Even if there are doshas in us, when we go to him with bhakti, when we go to him with that mitra bhavam, sharanagati bhavam kuda illa, mitra bhavam da. Not even the attitude of I am your abject slave, I am your dependent and kuda illa, I am your friend. Friend is equality. Friend means equality. You can only make friends with equals. That is why what did Rama do? In one way, Arun, somebody pointed it out, very beautiful point it was. Rama only made friends with kings. We think, oh, Rama very saulabhyam. Uru saulabhyam பண்ணாங்கட்டே இல்லையா? என்ன பண்ணார் அப்படின்னா, he made friends with Guha. Guha was the Nishada Raja. He made friends with Sugriva. Sugriva was Vanara Raja. He made friends with Vibhishana. Vibhishana is Rakshasa Raja. எல்லா ராஜாக்களோட தான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் இருக்கு. Others எல்லாம் இருக்கட்டும், பரவாயில்ல இருக்கட்டும். Who is the one fellow who made friends with everybody? நம்ம கிருஷ்ணன் தான். It is only Krishna who made friends with everybody. Gopalas கிட்ட இருந்தோம், சுதாமா கிட்ட இருந்தோம், அர்ஜுனாதிகளும் உத்தவனும்னா எல்லார்கிட்டையும் சக்கிய பாவம் வச்சுன்றது கிருஷ்ணன் தான். Krishna alone had friendship with everybody. குப்ஜே கிட்ட இருந்து எல்லார்கிட்டையும் ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆகும். ராமர் அப்படிலாம் கொஞ்சம் கிளாஸ் பார்க்குறவர், வெரி சொசைட்டி கான்ஷியஸ் ராமா. எல்லாம் அட்லீஸ்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு பி a king. ஈவன் இஃப் ட்ரைபல் சீஃப் இருந்தால் கூட பரவாயில்ல, அட்லீஸ்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு பி a ட்ரைபல் சீஃப். Anybody cheap? No. விஐபிக்கு தான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ். அப்போ மித்ரா அப்படின்னா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். பட் who can we have friends with? Equals only. And what does Rama say here? அப்படின்னா மித்ர பாவேன சம்பிராப்தம். Let anybody. ராமாவதாரத்தில் Rama so acted as though he was making friends only with kings. But that is not the truth. Everybody was accepted by Rama. அப்போ anybody who goes to Bhagavan even with the sense of I am equal to you, I want to be friends with you னு சொன்னா கூட Bhagavan appreciates it. I remember when a fellow had come in, he was speaking in Prashanti, and he referred to Swami as a friend, my dear friend. In the discourse, Swami kept on talking about my friend. See how he said friend, how he called me, that is how you should be. You should make friends with God. Swami kept on praising. My dear friend Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba. No. He said, my dear friend Satya Sai Baba. Swami was so pleased with it. Swami was not upset. Swami said, oh, he calls me my friend. Friend. That is the feeling you should have with God. Swami was explaining. For Ramar Chodaringa, if he comes with that attitude of friendship, even if he has got doshas, I will not reject him. அதனால I will certainly accept him. அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். அப்போ அப்படியும் even though Rama says Sugriva cannot keep quiet, Sugrivan சொல்றான், இல்ல என்னதான் இருந்தாலும் the fellow who is willing to betray his own brother, let us assume that he has come, if he is willing to betray his own brother and ally with the enemy against his own elder brother, how can we trust that fellow? அப்படிங்கன்னா சுக்ரீவா பையன் இது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம். இத kettle calling the pot black or Sugriva calling Vibhishana untrustworthy. What did Sugriva do? He allied against Vali with Rama and made sure Rama killed his own elder brother Vali. அவனும் பண்ணான். அவன் சொல்றான், இவன் எப்படி இவனை நம்புறது? இவனை எப்படி நம்ப முடியும்? அண்ணன்ட்ட வந்து இப்படி வரானே அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, அப்போ என்ன அவன் சொல்றான், சுக்ரீவா said whether he is good or bad எல்லாம் இல்லப்பா, கோ நாம சபவேதஸ்ய யமேஷன பரித்யஜேத் அப்படின்னு ஈத்ரிஷம் யசனம் பிராப்தம் பர்த்தாரம் பரித்யஜேத். when difficulty comes to him, he is willing to give up his own brother. Brataram api பரித்யஜேத். who will he not give up? who will he not betray? ராமர் அப்படி பார்க்கிறார், சுக்ரீவனை பார்க்கிறார். ஏண்டா பையனே சுக்ரீவா யோசிச்சு தாண்டா பேசுறியா, நீ ஏதாவது யோசிச்சு பேசுறியா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, ராமா is looking at him, is this fellow speaking after thinking or what அப்படின்னு அப்புறம் நினைக்கிறார். ஒரு தோன்றது அவருக்கு, ராமருக்கு அப்படியே ஒரு ஆனந்தம் பொங்கிறது, சந்தோஷம் பொங்கிறது ராமருக்கு. என்னதுன்னா, ஸ்லோகம் எங்கன்னு தேடிட்டு இருக்கேன், அழகான ஸ்லோகம். ந சர்வே பிராதரஸ்தாத பவந்தி பரதோபமாஹ மத்வீதா வா பிதுஃ புத்ராஹ சுஹ்ருதோ வா பவத்விதாஹ. தாத்த பகவானுக்கு சந்தோஷம் வந்துடுது. அப்படியே சுக்ரீவனை பார்க்கிறார். all the monkeys are sitting, each one is scratching its head அப்படிங்கிறது. they are all having various embarrassed looks upon their faces. Sugriva in that enthusiasm, without thinking what he is saying, how can we trust the fellow who is willing to betray his own brother? எல்லாம் சிரிக்கிறது. ராமர் பார்க்கிறார். அவ்வளோ அப்படி பார்த்துட்டு ராமா tells him, தாத்தா, my dear Sugriva, not all brothers can be Bharata. Not all sons can be me. Not all friends can be you. There is nobody equal to Bharata in being a brother. When he got the opportunity to rule the kingdom for free, he came and fought with Rama. Did a dharna at Rama's feet. You alone have to become the king. I will not become the king. If you are not going to become the king, then I will go to the forest. I will stay in Nandigrama. I will jump into the fire if you do not come back after 14 years. There is not anybody else other than Bharata to be the example of the ideal brother. Madvidhava pituh putraka. And if you consider an ideal son towards a father, I am the best. There is nobody equal to me. It is not boasting, it is a matter of fact. There is nobody equal to Rama in being the obedient filial son. யாருமே கிடையாது. ராமர் தான். இனி வரைக்கும் கிடையாது. Nobody has evolved until now. Nobody has been there to equal Rama in the kind of sacrifice that he was willing to do in being a son. அவர் சொல்றார், third, There cannot be a friend like you. Yenna, the reason why Sugriva is jumping up and down and saying this statement, which is so blatantly backfiring against him, the reason is because of the friendship he has with Rama. Let the world laugh at me. Let the world say Sugriva said this. But if Rama can be safe, so be it. What is Sugriva going to accomplish or not by whether Vibhishana joins or not? Sugriva has got no prior enmity with Vibhishana. Sugriva has got no bones to pick with Vibhishana. If Rama is willing to accept Vibhishana, so be it. Anal, the reason why he is so concerned about it is he does not want Rama to suffer. That selfless thought is what makes him say something that is clearly tearing his reputation to pieces. Even then he is not afraid to say it. Looking at that, Rama always understands. He is not looking merely at the words, he is looking at the bhava. So when he looks at Sugriva's bhava, he is very happy. He says, in Chalame, Tata, my dear. Tata na, my dear. Dear, not all friends are like you. And Mari Aradunda friend. Even when that was said, Sugriva still says, Prabhu, know this Rakshasa to have been sent by Ravana. This fellow must have come from Ravana. Therefore, I consider it advisable to imprison him, take him captive. நீங்களோ எப்படி இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா you are very guileless. ராமன் சொல்ற நிருஷம்சஸ்ய அப்படின்னு சொல்ற நீங்களோ நான் ராக்ஷசோ ஜிஹ்வயா புத்யா சந்திஷ்டோயமிகாகதः பிரஹர்த்தூன் த்வயி விஸ்வஸ்தே மயி வானகா. He has come there to attack us when we are caught unawares. When we are trusting him unsuspectingly, when we are there at that time, he is coming to attack us. Adanala Lakshmaneva Mahabaho Savadya Sachivai Saga Ravanasya Nrishumsasya Brata Hyesha Vibhishanaha. Yes, he is after all the brother of Ravana, cruel Ravana. How can we accept him? You on the other hand are Rumba intelligent arkeni. You are kind towards everybody, but this kind of kindness will not work in such warlike situations. You've got to consider it. He will attack us. He will attack us when we are not prepared. Partha Rama. Rama has already expressed his opinion. Still this fellow keeps on saying, no, it is not that Rama is not finding fault with him. Again, Yenna, Dosho Yadyapi Natyajayam Shultarliya. Mitrabhavena Sampraptham Natyajayam Katanchanan. The fact that he has said in regards to Vibhishana has already been implemented with regards to Sugriva. Accepting him as a friend, now no matter what happens, I will not let you go. Abhingartha is already established for Sugriva. Adhanal Bhagavan is not angry with him. But on the other hand, Rama knows that this fellow is going on and on. He has forgotten one point. He has forgotten one point. He has forgotten me. He has forgotten my valor. He has forgotten my prowess. Am I an idiot? This is what happens sometimes when you are so concerned about the welfare of somebody. You tend to take their intelligence for zero, their strength into zero. We will be 45-50 years old. Our parents will keep careful while crossing the road, careful. Jakarta, Badrama, Allah Badrama, Kadavala, Putin, Kanabo. We will be leaving. Kadavala, Unga Putinia, Kadavala, Putinia, Patako. Make sure you've locked all the doors properly. Somehow, when you are giving advice to your children or giving advice to somebody, you tend to think of them as absolute idiots. If they have to listen to your advice, they must be idiots. They themselves know. In spite of it, they are listening to you. This itself shows they are idiots. But actually, how long will you keep giving advice? If anything, the best way to learn is by making mistakes. Nevertheless, when we give advice, what happens is you tend to take the other person's intelligence for not for granted. You tend to take it to be zero. பார்த்தார் ராமர், பொறுக்கல. ச துஷ்டோ வாப்ய துஷ்டோ வா கிமேஷ ரஜனீச்சரஹ சூக்ஷ்மமப்யகிதம் கர்த்தும் மம சக்த கதஞ்சன பிசாச்சான் தானவான் யக்ஷான் பிருத்திவ்யாம் சைவ ராட்சசான் அங்குல்யக்ரேண தான் ஹன்யாம் இச்சன் ஹரிகணேஸ்வரஹ அப்படின்னு ஒரு போடு போட்டார் ராமர். ஹே துஷ்டோவா துஷ்டோவா, let him be good, let him be bad, who in this wide earth can dare to do harm to me? Who is capable of doing even the slightest bit of harm to me? If I so desire, I can tear him apart with the mere fingertips. Angulyagrena tan hanta vichan Hari Ganeshwara. Hey Hari Ganeshwara, O king of all monkeys, whether it is a Pishacha, Dhanava, Yaksha, Rakshasa, Naga, let him be any creature in this world, I can tear him apart with the fingertips. அப்படின்னு பூர்வ ஜென்ம அவதாரம் ஞாபகம் கொடுத்து பகவானுக்கு. When Bhagavan was repeatedly being questioned, he suddenly remembered Nrisimhavataram. Hey, in Nrisimhavatara, when Hiranyakashipu came, what weapon did I have? Sarva praharana yudaha. அப்படினு with simply the nails I tore him apart. இவன் அண்ணனே கொன்னவன் நான் அப்படின்னு. ஏன்னா விபீஷண யாரு சோபலாஜி? Who is Vibhishana after all? The younger brother of Hiranyakashipu. ஏன்னா Hiranyakashipu is Ravana. His Vibhishana is just an also ran. Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha, Jaya, Vijaya, who came as Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha, Ravana, Kumbhakarna. இது ஏதோ சும்மா என்ன சொல்லுவாது, ஒப்புக்கு சப்பானி ஊருக்கு மாங்கோட்டையும் பாடு. சில வச்சனங்கள்லாம் ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். வெரி கலர்ஃபுல் sayings we have in Tamil. ஒப்புக்கு சப்பானி ஊருக்கு மாங்கோட்டை அப்படின்னா ஒரு lot of children will be playing. Children of same age will be playing. All the 10-year-olds will be playing. But one of the 10-year-olds has a younger brother. ஒரு 7 வயசு இருக்கும், 7-year-old boy. That fellow also will come like a tail. Younger children, younger siblings are always like the tail of the elder siblings. பின்னாடியே வந்துட்டே இருக்கும், தொண வந்து பிடுங்கும், எங்க போனாலும் வந்து பிடுங்கும். நான் வரேன்னு வரும். இது என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணித்தோ அதெல்லாம் பண்ணும். Whatever the elder does, the younger will do. And it will always come behind them as a bit of an annoyance sometimes. அப்போ இந்த குழந்தை என்ன பண்ணும், இது ஒரு நானும் வருவேன் அப்படின்னு வந்துடும். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறது, தள்ளவும் முடியாது. நோ அப்படின்னா அழ ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். If you say no, it will start to cry and make a big scene. அப்போ these fellows cannot play. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, சரி we will do one thing. ஒப்புக்கு சப்பானி நீ ஊருக்கு போக மாட்டேன், we will give some role to you. You also ஒன்றும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்காது அந்த ரோல். Whatever the game is, it will be part of this team also, that team also will not be anything useful. அதாவது when the ball falls beyond this line, you bring it in சொல்லிடுவா, பால் பை மாதிரி ஆகிடுவா கடைசியில். அது வேக்க ஒன்றும் தெரியாதா, ஓகேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஓடிவிடும். அந்த மாதிரி விபீஷணன் that kind of a fellow. ஏன்னா the mighty warriors அப்படின்னா ராவணா, கும்பகர்ணா, அப்புறம் என்ன விபீஷணன் ஒருத்தர் தான் பாவம். அவன் அன்றைக்கே சொன்னா இல்லையா, ரிமெம்பர் சூர்பனகா when she came and spoke about herself to Rama, ராவணா அப்படி பெரிய பிரதர், அப்புறம் கும்பகர்ணா mighty brother, விபீஷணன் ஒரு பையன் இருக்கான். What to do? Unfortunately another brother of mine is விபீஷணா, ராட்சச அசுரத்தனமே கிடையாது அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இல்லையா. Like that, Vibhishana is a bit of an also ran. Rama says, I can tear apart Ravana himself if I choose to. What is this Vibhishana? அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். We will stop here for today. We will take a break tomorrow. Janaki Kanta Smaranam Anjaneya Swami ki Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kachidukha bhag bhavet, loka samstas kino bhavantu. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरा.